I wanted to introduce another resource to you. It's called Basic Phonic Charts. These phonic charts are from Abeka. Take note of the coloring of the phonic charts. They are color-coded because they come with flashcards that match the color. So there are green flashcards, blue flashcards, purple, yellow, pink, and so on. There are flashcards that you can work with your learner to help them succeed. These charts begin with the vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and the sounds you can also relate to the pictures. Apple for A, E, for elephant, sound, and the I for inchworm, and so on. Once you move through the green charts, you're getting into letters and sound recognition, and then we move to our blend ladders. These ladders are pretty unique because they allow your learner to blend two letters together, a vowel and a consonant, or a consonant with a vowel. The ladders work like this: la, le, li, la, la. Ma, me, mi, ma, ma. This is how you would work the blend ladders. Moving on, you have a chart that shows you some smaller words, one-word vowels that you can use. And then we go to the long vowels. A for acorn, E for eagle, I for ice cream, O for open, and U for uniform. So you use these lines to say the name of the vowel. Ba, fi, ho. Next chart gives you those special sounds that you have in k and duck, the E in me, O in go, the Y in fly, the fl and flake. So you can progress through many, many words with these charts and flashcards. The student maybe could have the chart to study or to write from. You could do some spelling words, spelling lists, and they could circle or highlight the brr and bride, the dur and drum. Also, you can do them as like the quizzing flashcards. You have the flashcards in front of you. The flashcards would just give the BR, and they would have to remember the word bride. As you progress, you would get into different colors and the words get a little bit more complex. So I look forward to you using this resource. It really will be helpful, and it's really nice for your learners to have some interaction with you one-on-one.